So, I finished my one class today, and now I'm heading over to Liv's. I'm just heading over to the subway now. The subway was extremely delayed. A combination of signal issues and weather issues. It's obscenely windy here in Toronto. Like, I'll show you a clip of a stop sign that is falling over by the wind right now. It is so windy today that a stop sign fell over. And there's just so many issues. I think they said winds gust to about 90 kilometers an hour, so it's best to stay inside today. You leaving me?
Yeah. Work, apparently.
Oh, you got work?
Apparently.
Well, that's not very long.
No, so
Luke will chill and eat.
your food's ready, eh?
TV.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So, while I was at work, I decided I'm gonna hit the gym, do some cardio and some weights. I'll probably do some back. And then by the time I get back and showered, and she'll probably be back home. So, Liv's back from work.
Yeah.
Yeah, finally.
It wasn't that long.
Yeah. So we're heading out to Sushi. We're heading to our favorite sushi place that's nearby.
It's not our favorite. It's
We've been there the most.
We've been there once.
We've been there the most out of any other sushi place around, though.
I guess.
Okay, well, we're leaving too. Are you enjoying your sushi? Even though it took a really long time? Okay. You got all these ones have caviar on them. Look at that. And there's all these other ones, and we ate some already. Okay.